Hi, my name is Arthur Ingraham. I'm a licensed insurance agent, and today we're going to be discussing how age and gender affect auto insurance costs. Auto insurance companies get their costs based on what type of risk they think that you are. And the way that they determine that risk is they'll look at a number of factors. They'll look at motor vehicle reports, they'll look at your credit report, they'll look at your age, your gender. Now the gender doesn't play hugely into it, but the kind of big picture of all this is the way that these companies are getting their rates is they're using statistics and data that's compiled by the ISO. And basically what happens is if they have actuaries within an insurance company, which is basically highly skilled mathematicians that are looking at all of this data, and they're compiling all the data for how many accidents occurred for this specific demographic. So say, for instance, how many accidents occurred for a 40-year-old male with this credit score, and based on that, they're kind of taking what's happened in the past and using that to kind of predict what will happen in the future and assigning a risk classification to you, which will then in turn determine what your rate is. So the only other caveat to this is if you're an unexperienced driver, meaning you may have just gotten your license, or even if you've moved from outside of the country to this country, some companies will look at you as an unexperienced driver at that point. There will be a surcharge based on your age for the first 3 years that you're learning to drive, that you will have a surcharge. You'll be paying more based on your age at that point. And then as you get older, a lot of companies will increase their rates for drivers that are getting up in age because your vision is going, your ability to hear is diminishing, and so those types of drivers aren't as great as someone who's much younger than that. So your age and your gender do factor in your auto insurance premium, and I hope I helped by explaining some of the other things that factor into that as well. The most important thing is not to worry about your age and your gender so much, because those are things that you can't change, but focus on maintaining a clean motor vehicle report and maintaining your credit in good standing, and that will net you the best savings in the future. So again, my name is Arthur Ingraham. I'm a licensed insurance agent, and today we discussed how age and gender affect your auto insurance.